Good morning, class. Today we are going to study place value in Indian system. Up to yesterday we have done this question, write in figures. But today we are going to start write the place value of each digit using Indian place value system. Okay. In your previous class I show you the Indian number system. This is the place value chart. We have done few questions in this place value chart, but today we are going to find out the place value of each digit using Indian place value system. So let's start. Here an example is given to you on this page. See, place value in Indian systems. I have written ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore above this number, just to know or just to show you whether it is number. For example, see here, 9 is on ones, 9 is on ones place, so we have to multiply 9 ones. Ones mean ones place, so 9 into 1 is equals to 9. As we move forward, here is 0 at tens place, t. Here 0 is at tens place, so we have to multiply 0 by 10. Whatever is multiplied by 0, the answer will get 0. Here we have two zeros. Okay. Our next number, two hundreds. 100 means 100, so we have to multiply 2 with 100 means 100. It will become 200 after multiplication. Now 6 is on thousandth place. 1000 means 1 and 3 times 0. So when we multiply this number with 1000, it will become 6000. Next, after 6 there is 3. 3 is on 10,000th place. 10,000th place. So 3 into 10,000. 3 multiply 10,000. It will become 30,000. Okay. Then we have 7. 7 is on lakh place. Multiply by 1 lakh will be 7 lakh. Next is 1. 1 is on 10 lakh place. So 1 multiply 10 lakh, answer will be 10 lakh. Next is 5. 5 is on C, crore. 5 is on crore value. The value of 5 is here crore. So 5 multiply 1 crore will be 5 crore. 4 is on 10 crore value C. I have written here TC. So multiplying 4 by 10 crores, it will become 4 multiply 10 crore, 40 crore. See, as we move forward, the value of 0 is increasing. Here no 0, 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, 5 0, 6 0, 7 0, 8 0. So you should learn. In ones there will be no 0. In tens there will be 1 0. In hundreds there will be 2 zeros. In thousands there will be 3 zeros. In 10,000s there will be 4 zeros. In lakhs there will be 5 zeros. In 10 lakhs there will be how much zeros? 6 zeros. In crores we have 7 zeros, and in 10 crores there are 8 zeros. You should know how many zeros are there in crores, in lakhs, in hundred, tens, ones. Okay. Now I think we should move forward. Now we have to do this question in this manner. So I have created this. I have 1 on ones place. So what I have to do? 1 multiply 1. It will become 1. This is on ones now. So we have to multiply this one with 1 only. Then we have 2. 2 is on which place? 10th place. 10 means 1 0. Then our answer will be 2 tens are 20. Okay. Then we have 3. 3 is on which place? 100th place. 3 is on 100th place. So 3 multiplied by 100 is equals to 300. Now we have 4. 4 on 1000th place. See how much zeros are in 1000? There will be 3 zeros in 1000. It will become 4000. See. Now we have 5. Where is 5? 5 is on 10,000 place. So our answer will be 5 multiply in 10,000. We have 4 zeros. It will become 50,000 according to number system. We have to put here comma. Here we have to put comma. Okay. Now we have 6. So 6 multiply by 1 lakh. In 1 lakh we have 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. It will become 6 lakh. Got it? Then we have 7 on 10 lakh position. Then 7 multiply. How many zeros are there in 10 lakh? There will be 6 zeros. 3 3 6. It will become 70 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. Now we have 8 in crore. So in crore, how much zeros are there? More than this, na? One more than this. So there will be 7 zeros. It will become 8 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. Now our last digit is 9. 9 is on 10 crore position. So in 10 crores we have 8 zeros. How much zeros do we have? 8 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And our result will be 90 crore. Got it? 90 crore. So this is how we have to do this question. Because it is asking, we have to find the place value of each digit. But below here we have to find only the place value of the underlined digit. Here 8 is underlined, so we have to find the value of 8. So how do we find this? See, 3 5 6 7. Now again we apply this method here, but we do not have to make lines like this here. So on 7 there will be ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. So my 8 is on crore position. So how many zeros are in crore? We can see it from here that we have multiplied in the above question with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here are 7 zeros in 1 crore. So here we have to multiply with 7 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And our answer will be 8 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Our answer is 8 crore. In the same manner, we will do this question also. So 4 multiply. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So now for this time, our term is on 10th crore position. So we know in 10th crore position we have 8 zeros. 1 0 more than crores. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 zeros. So it will become 40 crore. This is the place value of underlined digit only, and here we have find out the place value of all the digits. So this is the difference between our third question and fourth question. Okay, you have to do the questions by yourself. Now let's move to another question. Write the following in expanded notation. Very easy. See, I will take, or I will write each and every term here. First of all, see, 6 multiply by, how many digits are left after 6? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digits left, so we have to multiply 6 by 1 and 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digits left. Okay, now it's the turn of 2. This, so how much digits left after 2? 1 2 3 4. 4 digits left, so what we have to do? 1 2 3 4. That's it. Now let's move to another digit, 8. So how much digits are left after 8? 1 2 and 3. Only 3, so we have to put only 3 zeros after this. See, now after this it's the turn of that 4. So 4 multiply by, how much digits are left? 1 and 2. So 1 2 plus, next we have moved to 3. So 3 after 3, how much digits are left? Only 1. So we will put 1 0 plus 9 1, or we can multiply it by 1 also. Also we have another method. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. When we take 6, how much zeros are in 1 lakh? 5 zeros. So we will multiply this 6 with 1 and 5 zeros. On 10,000 position there is 2. How many zeros are on 10? In 10,000 there are only 4 zeros. So we multiply 2 with those 4 zeros. In 8th we have 8 is on 1000 place. How much zeros in 1000? 3. So we have to multiply 8 with 1000. Next 4 is on 100th place. So we have to multiply our 4 with 100. Okay. Then add 3 is on 10 place. 10 means 1 0. So multiply 3 with 1 0. And there is 9. Is on 1 with 1. After each and every digit we have to use plus sign. See, after multiplication of this 6 into 1 lakh, we have to place add here. Our answer here, we have to place add here, 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 here. That's it. This is the expanded notation of this number. So I hope you get this. How do we expand the numbers? Okay, let's move to another. Our next topic is write the correct number for each. Here we are given expanded notation. We have to write numbers like this by using this. Okay, so let's start doing